Okay, you, come over here. I want to show you what's on my to-do list. Okay, check this out. Now, firstly, this is my calendar. I don't really have a to-do list. This is how I operate my life. This is a complex calendar, beautifully colored, but it shows what I do on any given day. Now, I want to tell you something. Most people look at that calendar and they think that I am crazy busy. I'm actually not. I'm crazy optimized. But one of the most unique things about how I work is I don't have a to-do list. Absolutely zero. There is no set of to-do items I even think about. And it turns out that science actually says this is a far more effective way to operate your life if you're playing at a big level. You do not need a to-do list. Rather, what you need is an optimized calendar. Now, I'm sharing this with you because this week on Mind Valley, we're going to be talking about the concept of focus, the concept of indistractability. That word is coined by the famous author Nir Eyal. Nir is one of the leading minds on the topics of focus, on becoming indistractable, on getting things done effectively. And I want to invite you to join me on a masterclass where we're going to go deep with Nir on why you should take your to-do list and completely tear it apart. And instead, you should have a Google Calendar that looks as beautifully complex as mine. These ideas in this masterclass will probably save you 2 to 3 hours a week. And this masterclass will deliver instant results. Check it out. And Nir Eyal is an incredible teacher all of us need to be learning from. The link is in the caption. Completely free. Join us for this masterclass.